The dazzling 2024 BMW X3 is set to showcase a diverse range of powertrain options, encompassing petrol, diesel, and all-electric variants, each built upon distinct platforms. And all of this is building up towards the highly anticipated new technology 2025 X3. Here, though, is why the 2024 X3 already has Beamer enthusiasts salivating. What's new in 2024? In response to the upsizing of BMW's latest X1 compact crossover, the company is developing a larger X3 SUV. This upcoming 2024 X3 model has been designed to provide increased space and practicality, boasting an upgraded cabin enhanced with advanced technology features. Notably, the new X3 will offer a wider array of powertrain choices, reflecting BMW's commitment to catering to diverse consumer preferences, including both traditional combustion engines and the innovative iX3 electric vehicle. This strategic move by BMW to include both combustion engine and electric options will result in the new X3 lineup being built upon two distinct platforms. When equipped with a combustion engine, the X3 will retain BMW's conventional styling approach, characterized by a more traditional kidney grille configuration, a departure from the bolder design elements seen in vehicles like the 4 Series and the 7 Series luxury saloon. Drawing inspiration from the recently introduced X1 compact crossover, the X3's design incorporates sharper headlight clusters, maintaining visual cohesion within the BMW lineup. The rear end similarly adopts slim rear light units, harmonizing the vehicle's aesthetics. It also sees the introduction of more pronounced angular lines on both the front and rear bumpers, contributing to an overall sense of dynamic appeal. In essence, BMW's upcoming 2024 X3 SUV underscores the brand's commitment to adaptability, accommodating various powertrain preferences while maintaining a connection to its established design language. This strategy aims to cater to a broad spectrum of drivers seeking practicality, technology, and an evolved driving experience. Engines and drivetrains. The upcoming X3 lineup will consist of petrol, diesel, and plug-in hybrid variants. These models will be developed on an evolved version of BMW's current CLAR or cluster architecture multi-energy platform. However, the all-electric iX3 variant will transition to BMW's new class technology, representing the brand's forward-looking approach. The range is set to commence with a 48-volt mild hybrid 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol xDrive 20i model. This entry-level variant is expected to offer a modest increase in power over the outgoing version's 181 brake horsepower output. Additionally, the xDrive 20d, equipped with a 48-volt mild hybrid powertrain, is also likely to be retained in the lineup. In addition to the existing 4-cylinder models, there are indications that larger 3-liter mild hybrid petrol and diesel alternatives will become a part of the lineup. These are anticipated to carry the M Performance badge, possibly adopting the names M40i and M40d, consistent with the current X3 range. The petrol version is projected to generate approximately 360 brake horsepower, while the diesel variant is expected to offer slightly less power, around 340 brake horsepower. All vehicles with combustion engines will be coupled with an 8-speed automatic gearbox and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, including the 30e plug-in hybrid. The new petrol-electric X3 is expected to achieve an enhanced all-electric range, surpassing 50 miles and drawing closer to the capabilities of the larger X5 xDrive 45e. Although its primary design focuses on on-road performance, the 2024 BMW X3 comes equipped with features that elevate its off-road capabilities. Opting for the X Off-Road package grants access to specialized driving modes and features that are meticulously curated for off-road adventures. These encompass an off-road setting for the stability control system, an electronically controlled rear differential lock, and precise suspension tuning tailored to navigate demanding terrains. Interior and luggage space. The interior of the 2024 X3 is an elegantly crafted affair that showcases a remarkable level of precision and luxury. But then you wouldn't expect anything less from BMW. The cockpit, oriented towards the driver, showcases premium elements like top-tier leather upholstery and tasteful wood or aluminum accents, exuding an undeniable sense of sophistication. A range of available options ensures optimal comfort for everyone, including multi-zone automatic climate control, ventilated front seats, and heated rear seats. The 2024 X3 also provides an optional panoramic sunroof, welcoming natural light into the cabin and fostering an open and airy ambience. Ambient lighting adds an elegant touch, offering customizable light settings to cater to individual preferences. There's ample room for passengers both at the front and in the rear. The seats are thoughtfully designed for ergonomic comfort and exceptional support, significantly enhancing enjoyment during long drives. Adding to its practicality, the rear seats are designed to be conveniently foldable in a versatile 40-20-40 split configuration. This feature facilitates increased cargo adaptability, allowing you to accommodate various load sizes with ease. Technology. The 2024 X3 is equipped with a standard infotainment system that boasts a high-resolution touchscreen display. The intuitive interface provides seamless access to a range of multimedia functions, including navigation and smartphone integration, ensuring you stay connected and entertained on your journeys. Moreover, BMW's renowned iDrive system further enhances convenience. It enables effortless control over the vehicle's features, whether through voice commands or the iDrive controller. This hands-free approach ensures that you can focus on the road while still managing various audio functions with ease. The 2024 BMW X3 comes with cutting-edge connectivity features that seamlessly integrate technology into the driving experience. Convenient wireless smartphone charging eliminates the need for cables. Standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility enable drivers to access their preferred apps, navigation, and music directly from their smartphones. For audiophiles, the Harman Kardon surround sound system is available as an option. This premium audio setup promises an immersive sound experience, transforming your cabin into a concert hall on wheels. Additionally, the X3 offers an available heads-up display. This advanced feature projects essential information directly onto the windshield, ensuring that crucial details like speed, navigation instructions, and safety alerts remain within the driver's line of sight. This not only enhances safety by minimizing distractions, but it also contributes to a more convenient and enjoyable driving experience overall. Safety and additional driver convenience. Safety remains a paramount concern for BMW across its vehicle lineup, and the 2024 X3 is no exception. The SUV boasts an extensive array of advanced driver assistance systems designed to prevent accidents and reduce the impact of potential collisions. Standard safety features encompass forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, in addition to adaptive safety measures. The incorporation of adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality translates to a stress-free driving experience, particularly in congested traffic conditions. Moreover, the X3 integrates advanced technologies, such as BMW's Parking Assistant Plus, which adeptly aids in parallel and perpendicular parking. The inclusion of surround view cameras provides a comprehensive view of the vehicle's surroundings, significantly enhancing maneuverability and safety during low-speed maneuvers. Moreover, the X3 presents optional features like BMW Connected Drive services, offering real-time traffic updates, concierge services, and remote vehicle control through a smartphone app. The BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, a voice-activated digital aid, empowers drivers to effortlessly manage diverse vehicle functions using natural language commands. The rollout is scheduled for 2024, commencing with the combustion engined models, while the next generation iX3 is expected to follow in 2025. BMW's CEO, Oliver Zipse, confirmed that a new SUV, alongside a traditional sedan, will mark the introduction of the new class platform in 2025. He stated, quote, "Our new class is coming in 2025. For the launch, we are planning a compact sedan in the 3 Series segment and a sporty SUV. BMW's upcoming lineup, under the new class banner, is set to benefit from the integration of the brand's cutting-edge 6th-generation e-drive motors and battery systems. These advancements are primed to bring forth a notable boost in both efficiency and driving range. This technological leap forwards holds the promise of enabling upcoming vehicles to achieve an impressive range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. However, it's worth noting that BMW is leaning towards a pragmatic approach, indicating that they might not strive for a range exceeding this threshold for models like the X3. The rationale behind this decision aligns with the brand's assessment of current market needs. In essence, BMW's forthcoming vehicles from the new class lineup are poised to redefine efficiency and range standards, ushering in a new era of sustainable mobility while catering to the evolving demands of contemporary driving experiences. Anticipate price increases above the current starting price of $60,000 for the combustion-engined X3 as the new model is unveiled in 2024. Considering the iX3's introduction of an all-new platform technology, along with substantial improvements in range and charging capability, the starting cost is expected to be elevated compared to the existing version's price tag of $80,000.